Welcome sa channel, tara na't sumabay. Travel, cooking live, walang sablay. Money Villa, vibe ay tunay. Click subscribe, wag ka nang magatubay. Lumilipad ang kwento, parang eroplano. Iba't ibang lugar, hatid saya sa tao.
Hello everyone! Welcome to Manny's Persian Cooking. Ayan. For this episode guys, I am going to cook mung beans or munggo with silver scabbard. Ayan oh. Espada guys. Isdang espada. Ayan guys. 2 kilo yan, 2 piraso. Ayan. So, ang ating mga ilalahok ay mayroon tayong 2 talong. Ayan. Isang kamatis. Tomatoes para hindi masyadong maasim. Mayroon tayong siling pangsigang at saka siling pangsipa. We have crushed garlic, thumb size of ginger, and then we have 2 pieces of red onion. We have scallion, and we have squash. Yan. At mayroon tayong alugbati and ampalaya leaves. Ayan. Bitter gourd leaves. So, everything is ready. So what I'm going to do for this fish is I'm going to put the salt and black pepper powder, and let's start the frying of this fish. Let's get ready! Ayan na guys, sa ating piniprito ang ating isdang espada na ating ilalahok sa ating munggo. Balik na rin natin guys. Alright guys, okay na ito guys. Tagalin na natin. Alright. Ayan guys, mainit na yung ating kaserola. Ayan. Olive cooking oil. Tansya-meter lang ito guys. 3 tablespoons. Lagay na natin yung thumb size ginger. Palabasin na natin ang kanyang bango. Followed by crushed garlic. O dinikdik na garlic. And of course chili, optional. And red onion. It's covered, let it try to loosen our onions. After 2 minutes, okay. This one guys, lagay na natin ang isang tomato. At maglagay tayo ng black pepper. That's fish sauce guys, patis. Yes, for umami flavor. Kunti lang halagay natin. Alright. Yan nating malamog ang kamatis. Let the tomato get tender. Alright. Let's see. Alright guys. At this point guys, ilalagay ko yung kunting konting squash. Lagyan ko ng konting tubig. This is Manny's version, guys. So let's simmer for 5 minutes. Let's check, guys. Malambot na siguro. Ayan. Tudurugin na natin ang ano, guys, squash, kalabasa. Guys, durugin, guys. At this point, guys, ilalagay na natin yung ating pinalambot na munggo. Okay. Let's cover and simmer for 5 minutes. Yep. So at this point, guys, ilalagay na natin ang ating mga natirang kalabasa, squash, simmer for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, ayan, so at this point, guys, ilalagay na natin ang ating mga talong. Ayan, guys, oh. Midges. Simmer for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, lalagay ko na yung siling pangsigang, guys. May hati pala yan, guys, para mas masarap ang sipa. Alright. At this point, ilalagay na natin ang ating mga naprito. Alright. Okay. Las scallions. Simmer for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, maglalagay pala ako ng cube, guys. 4 cube ito. Ano yan siya? Optional. Ano gusto lang. Let's taste. Kulang ng konting asin. Alright, guys, at this point, ilalagay na natin ang ating alugbati. Sa Manis version lang. Dami. Kung mamaya ito guys, wala na. It's cover for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, ayan guys, oh. Ilalagay na natin ang ating dahon ng ampalaya. Ayan, better gourd leaves. O, diba guys? Cover for another 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, let's see what's going on. Ayan guys, oh. It's game over. It's closed and off. Wait for palaway portion. Alright guys, nandito na tayo sa ating palaway portion. At titikman na natin ang final product ng Manis version. Ginisang munggo na may piniritong isda ang sahog at BGs. Ayan guys. Gusto ko itong alugbati guys. Ayan guys. Wow. Kailangan may kanin. Kalabasa. Ayan guys. Ito yung silver scabbard guys. O espada. Ayan. First bite ng isda for you. Sapa. Sarap talaga ng espada guys. Ayan guys, oh. Lala. Malagkitan pa ang ating kalabasa. Guys, oh. Yan. Dahil sa dahon ng ampalaya, guys. Uy. Yan, oh. Uy. The best. Winner na. Panalo pa. Saan ka pa? Ayan. Kanin. Alright guys, maraming salamat muli sa inyong patuloy na pagsusubaybay sa aking mga Manis version cooking at sa inyong mga magagandang comments, kind words, and also to your unwavering support to my premiere. Thank you so much, and until next time, God bless us always, and bye for now. Please subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Subscribe ka na. Tara, go na go. Yeah, Manibela Channel. Walang kapantay. Travel, cooking live.